Let's learn how you can make a TikTok video private. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device if you want, because method is same for every phone. So without any delay, let us start by opening our TikTok application. And now you will have to go to your profile. To do that, just click on profile icon in bottom right corner. Now go to the video you want to make private. As you can see here, you will have to tap on privacy settings, and it will open a new pop-up with privacy settings option. You can see this, who can see this post. To make it private, you have to click on only you. After you done this, video will turn private and it will be removed from your page. And if you go to locked, you can see your video will be